Hi guys, I'll be showing you some of the moves your favorite stocks are about to make. Stick to me to the end and you'll be shook. Make sure you take advantage of these analysis. Today I'll be starting with Tesla stocks, right? And we'll be analyzing it from a 4 hours to probably a 1 month, So let's see what this stock is about to do. From what I can see on the chart here, Tesla is still bullish. This is a 4 hours time frame, by the way. Tesla is still bullish, and this is my expectation on Tesla on the 4 hours time frame. This is my expectation. This is what I'm expecting from Tesla. So yep, so you could start buying Tesla from around 323.73, and yep, this setup. So this is like a 1:2 weeks to reward ratio. So I'm expecting this move from Tesla. So for a 4 hours time frame, I'm expecting this move from Tesla. So yep, this is an epic setup. I don't want to waste much of your time, so let's move over to a 1 day time frame. Let's see. On the 1 day time frame, the same thing perfectly, So on the 1 day time frame, we already have let me show you. We have bottom 1, neckline, bottom 2. We have a breakout while retesting the neckline, and they're going to have a pump to this place. So yep, the same thing on the daily time frame. So let's check the weekly. Yeah, interesting. Okay, so on the weekly time frame, okay, so on the weekly time frame, I should be doing something like this to this point. Yes, so yeah, so on the weekly time frame, our buys have activated already because they activated at 61. That is my golden zone. That is how personally I analyze the market. So they have activated here a long time ago, and they are going to get, it's going to get to this point. Yeah, so basically, for those of you that might probably enter on the 4 hours time frame, you can still, obviously you have seen where the 4 hours TP is at 373, but you can still take profit, can still come to this point. Yes, so we're going to get, like the Tesla stock, I mean to say, is going to get to about 456. So if you can swing, hold it, then why not? If you can swing, trade it, or you can hold it, buy now and hold from 330 to 456, fine. If you're holding on normal spot, yeah, you're gonna make about 41% on it, right? Profit. That is if you are gonna enter using the 4 hours time frame entry I dropped at this entry. So if you're gonna buy and hold from here to this point, you'll be making about a 41% profit, and the risk to reward has gone up now. The risk to reward ratio has gone up now. So yeah, now guys, I know a lot of you know that I am a crypto guy, right? And I talk about stocks from time to time, but not back to back. But from now on, I'm going to be talking about stocks back to back, and the major reason is this: I haven't been talking about stock not because I don't know how to analyze it or trade it or whatever, right? But I haven't been talking about stocks because of how will I put it? I think my people, that is my followers, my community members, I think that trading these stocks and buying them would have been a little bit more complicated because most of them are very used to crypto apps, right? So but right now you can buy US stocks and a whole other stocks on Bybit. You can do that on Bybit. So I'm going to drop my sign up link here, and sign up on Bybit through my partnership link so that you get about up to $30,000 in bonus and other extra bonuses from time to time. Then you're gonna go to traditional finance and buy these stocks there, whether on futures or on spots. Yes, you can do that on Bybit now. Yep. So yep, take advantage of it. Okay, I'm going to also make a special video to show you guys how you can do that exactly, just in case of you don't figure that out on your own, how to buy stocks on Bybit spot or features. I'm going to teach you guys how to do that, right? On a separate video. But just in case you can figure it out on your own, go to if you click on trading, you check traditional finance, there is TradFi, and you can do it there. Okay, but just stick to the channel. I'm going to show you guys. But for now, enjoy the analysis on this stock. So this is Tesla stocks. This is my expectation from Tesla stock. So yep, Tesla stock is bullish. So let's check the next stock. Nvidia. Okay, let's do Nvidia. So this is the next stock. Oh my god, this this chart looks so bullish. It's been pumping. Let me take a look at what it says on a 1 month time frame. Bro, this is so bullish. I cannot even analyze this right now. Like if I'm to analyze this stuff, because of the structure is looking bullish, I would do something like this. So I would say this Nvidia is gonna come into this place and then go up like this on a 1 month time frame. So this might take like probably up to a year or 6 months or thereabouts for this to actualize, you know. So yeah, so I think I'll be skipping this. But for those of you that are patient enough, right, you could actually patiently put your setup like this and wait for this price to come into 123. You buy, and probably not probably it's gonna get to this point, so you'll be making about 100%, yeah, in profit, you know. So but for now, I think I'm gonna leave that Nvidia. It's already too bullish. Okay, so this is Apple stocks. Okay, so on the weekly time frame, Apple stock is looking bullish, right? Even on the monthly, but let's start with weekly. On the weekly time frame, Apple stocks is looking bullish because I can see the breakout. This candlestick is a clear breakout. So now we've had a breakout. I'm expecting a retest. This might happen in 1 week, 2 weeks, or depends on how volatile it is, you know. So but Apple stocks is still bullish for now. So yep. So that means a lot of investors are going to come into the stock market soon, or invest more money, depending, you know. So yeah, so this is Apple stocks analysis for me on the weekly time frame. We might probably have a retest to 214 before we go to 257. So that's about a 20% move if it plays out like this, you know, in profit, which is amazing. So yep, I think we should stick to this. Yes, so good. On a daily time frame, it's already forming like it's gonna retrace to this point and peak and boom. So yep, so let's see how it happens, or how this plays out in the coming weeks. So yep, that is it for Apple. Yes, I think I want to check Amazon stocks. Let's see what Amazon stocks have for us here. So with Amazon stock, let me see. Honestly, I don't think I'm really comfortable with Amazon stocks. So I don't think this is bullish. I think this is the first stock I'm seeing that I'm not thinking it's bullish, because though I'm not getting 100% clear signal, but I don't think it's bullish. This Amazon stock, I think we're gonna have some sales on Amazon stocks. So I'm gonna do something like this. So here. So yeah, so this is my analysis on Amazon stock. I don't think I'm not going to. It's not bullish for now, or rather, not that it's not bullish, but then I'm expecting a retracement first of all, like a dump, you know, before probably it can continue pumping if it chooses. So yep, so this is my expectation on Amazon stocks. So that is about how many percent? 14%, 14.75% dump on the weekly time frame. That's what I'm thinking is gonna happen technically on Amazon stock. So yep, that's it. So let's see if that happens in the coming weeks or not. You know, let's see. Let's see if that happens. So what's the let me check the next stock. Okay, I think, should we check Meta? Meta. People interested in Meta? Yep, I think the people interested in it right now. Okay, let's check AMD. AMD stocks. So AMD stock is looking so bullish, but right now I'm expecting it has to do some retracements, on this weekly time frame before it continues its bullish momentum. You just have to but let's take a look on it on the 1 month time frame. Yeah, so on the monthly time frame it just has to, yes, makes sense. It's aligned with my weekly, so yeah. So from here down to this point, first of all, then move. Yep. So basically it's aligning with the trend line I just put now, because obviously this trend line was like broken, so it has to come back to retest it, or retest around that zone before it continues. So yeah, so this is it. Oh, this is going to be a lot of profits if you buy in when after the retracement on AMD, right? It's gonna be a huge one, because 82% profit if it retraces and peak and pumps up to here. 2% profit. So yep. So these stocks I believe they are going to play out exactly the way I said it. So just let's see how it goes. Okay, I wish you good luck. Remember, you can purchase these stocks on Bybit. My sign up partnership link is in the description box of this video. Sign up, take advantage of all bonuses that Bybit is giving everybody that signed up through my partnership link, so take advantage of it. And yeah, I wish you good luck. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, turn on post notifications. I'll be dropping a whole lot of updates on the financial markets, and make sure you benefit from it, because I am one of the best technical analysts you could see or you can ever see in this space. Good luck. See you in the next video.